Hi, I'm Ross from Play Wild, and in this video we're going to be looking at how to shorten the Play Wild tree swing hanging straps. Now these hanging straps are 5 feet long, so they may be quite a lot longer than you need for your circumstances. So if you do need to shorten them, it's a really simple process. Note that the hanging straps have two different sized D-rings. One of them is larger and one of them is smaller. In order to do this successfully, you want to make sure that you position the larger of the D-rings just under the branch and then start wrapping the strap around the branch like so until it's at the length that is going to suit your purposes. So I'm going to show you this shortened right up. Now here you can see we've pretty much got no strap left, and it's just a case now of passing the smaller D-ring through the larger one, and we've got a nice short hanging strap ready to mount your tree swing on, or if you're using it to wrap around the trunk for a hammock mount, it's the same process. Hope you found this helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.